Alright, here's the new room review. Got the walk-in area here. Beautiful bathroom, so babe.
Hi!
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
And real nice bathroom. Super nice sinks, nice tub. Nice shower, just like the old room. But this one is bigger at the Encore. And look at this bedroom with a huge mirror, king bed. Sweet. Big old TV. It's awesome. Look at this I've seen over here. You got pop-out USB charging and stuff like that. Pretty slick. You got a tablet right here, controls everything in the room, lights, windows, everything, temperature. You got here, you got the minibar area here, but we're not going to go into that. We're going to request a fridge later for our medication.
His medication.
We got our goodies that we're not touching. And look at the big, nice living room. We just got some stuff at CVS. Now let's talk to Alexa. Alexa, open the curtains.
She ignores him all the time, it's funny.
Oh. Alexa, open the curtains. You gotta say Alexa kind of slower, I think.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay, she says. Now look at this new strip view. Ooh, baby. You got the strip there, you got the Wynn over there, you got pools down here, which we're gonna hit up pretty soon. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna get moving here and go get our stuff at the Wynn and bring it over to the Encore. That's it. Full room tour. It's beautiful. Okay.
Woo!
GoPro, stop recording.